honestly, I really look up to Keanu Reeves because Keanu Reeves is a very modest man. He doesn't live in a big man. Every actor has money. Like every A-lister actor has money, and he is an A-lister actor, and I know he has money. But he lives as a very modest man, a modest home, modest car, and he helps a lot of organizations that help. And I've seen him help on YouTube people himself, and he's just been my role model ever since I was 7. And I actually got to see him on set for Happening of Monumental Proportions, but I never built up the courage to go see him. So
That's honestly such a great outlook on things. I have just started reading a novel called Pay It Forward. That is basically a novel about this 12-year-old guy named Trevor who was asked by his teacher to do something that changes the world, and so he decides to go to 3 random strangers, do something kind for them, and then tell them to pay it back to 3 other random people, and eventually this changes the world. Little small acts of kindness and charity can spread, and I think that that's the most important thing. Well, even if you aren't, the other person isn't able to show you their gratitude, or if you it's still fulfilling in your heart, I believe, because you have helped somebody, you have achieved the goal, and so it's just that's so great. And do you believe?
Don't cry. Are you crying? Don't cry.
This is Brayden.
My dream is to get a food truck named Little Red's Wagon to feed the homeless.
Soborno Isaac and Brayden both starred in Hollywood's Warner Brothers with Oscar-nominated actress Melissa McCarthy. Brayden and Soborno are gifted in acting and mathematics, respectively. However, what makes Brayden special is his dream of philanthropy. Brayden's dream is to create a world without homelessness and poverty by feeding the poor, while Soborno Isaac's dream is to create a world without terrorism by adding empathy to our curriculum.